Two accused car thieves in court today. Police say they led cops on a chase on the Garden State Parkway. And now several mayors and law enforcement officials are calling for stricter penalties. News 12 New Jersey's Jim Murdoch is following these cases across the state.
24-year-old Dayvon Savage has already spent 2 weeks in jail following the incident last month along the Garden State Parkway near Holmdel and Hazlet. Well, today he learned a judge has now released him from jail as he awaits trial. Detention hearings like this one have come under scrutiny in recent months as vehicle thefts continue to impact neighborhoods all over the state. Police say Dayvon Savage, along with 3 others, were riding in a stolen BMW, crashed, then ran and hid from cops in Holmdel. A 4th suspect stole another vehicle, which he then crashed further north on the parkway and got away. Prosecutors argue these factors are enough to keep Savage in jail.
The community at large, when they're impacted by individuals who are engaging in this type of criminal conduct, who don't even stop when given commands by law enforcement officers to do so and just end it, but continue to try to get away with it and then impact the community to the point where people can't feel safe in their own homes.
Defense attorney Regina Rocco argued due to the suspect's age, his high school completion, his responsibilities as a father, and only minor past offenses, he should be released.
What I see the strength of the state's case as being is a 4th-degree joyriding and possibly a 4th-degree obstruction for running, for which my client is PTI eligible, and should that fail, he would be entitled to a presumption of non-incarceration, probationary sentence.
Ultimately, Judge Paula Scandon found in favor of the defense.
Comb the neighborhoods and looking for potential cars to steal. I think it's just speculative at best. It's by all accounts, it's still an ongoing investigation, and to assume facts that are simply just not there is not the function of this court. I think based on the facts that I have before me, I think that there are conditions of release that I could place on Mr. Savage to ensure that the 3 goals are met, so I'm going to release him.
Savage faces 5 charges, including receiving stolen property, eluding, obstruction of justice, and employing a minor to commit a crime. The other adult suspect, Unique Woodard, is scheduled for his detention hearing next week. We're outside the Monmouth County Courthouse in Freehold. Jim Murdoch, News 12, New Jersey.
And the Monmouth County Sheriff Sean Golden has been very outspoken against the release of suspects involved in stolen vehicles. He said in a statement, quote, "We can now add another brazen offender to the list of the more than 100 individuals who were released in a 2-year period in connection with similar circumstances of 2nd and 3rd degree auto theft." He goes on to say it's outrageous that after spending 2 weeks in jail, the net result for this offender is released on supervision, all due to a broken bail reform system.